Hello guys, or hello everybody I should say. I was going to start doing that instead, but okay, sorry. Hello everybody and welcome to, well thank you for the information game. Welcome once again, before I get interrupted by something else, to episode 4 of Digimon Cyber Sleuth. Okay, I got information from them. So we're going to continue from where we were. So we need to go to Shinjuku. Oh, we have Arata here. Yeah, we're doing the mission. Hello, Arata.
お俺か強いて問題を探すと資金には刺激強すぎたはずだぜ。にしても初めて見たぜ。あの後運営に問い合わせてみたんだが、どう考えたって不自然。どうにも気になるんだよ。少なくとも公式まあまた。
Okay. So this is literally right after we recorded episode 3, so... Yeah, I'm just gonna try and get through this as fast as possible. How do I get to that side? Because I see people over there I need to talk to. Can't go anywhere else over here. Can't go down there, can't go over there. There's where we can enter the game. Is there not a crosswalk or something? So we can't walk across the street. Oh, this is annoying me to death. Okay, I can walk across. That's nice. Just not on the other side.
お前こんなところで何やってるんだよ。海外なんつう国だっけ。絶対ちげえよ。つうかそれたく最近ずっとこの調子だよ。なんか四六時中地味犬家じゃずーっと。つうかお前だよお前。でんなあさくら。おいさわさわ。
Oh damn, he got murdered.
今ならいけると。つうかお前バンドだよバンド。なんか最近地味に売れてんだぜ。まあ曲とにかくお前が電の送別会したのにな。俺けどこれからもお前に
Time to report back, huh? So I don't even do anything else out right now. That's good. Actually, I can press right. Nope, I can't. I thought. Shit. Ooh, something shiny. Don't run across the street like this. Even though I'm not that dumb. That's pretty bad for me to say. I'm not that dumb usually. Ooh. No, I don't need to explore so much, but at the same time I want to. It's instinctive nature. Ooh, there's a shop. Oh, you're a clothes salesman. Oh, this is kind of actually interesting. V. Uchida Beelzemon emblem T-shirt. Ooh, Kason probably wants that. The Hootie team. Can I have a jacket or something, not a t-shirt? So, is there anything I can sell? Thank you very much. I remember you're here. I might do a little bit of grinding in it. Because I've got 5 minutes. I'm 5 minutes into the episode. I might do a bit of grinding just so I can show off some things. But at the same time, if I grind, I might screw myself. Because grinding would increase a Digimon's memory requirements. And I've only got 20 of that. So, yeah, that would screw me, actually. I guess I need to try and play through the story. How do I actually leave? Where the hell do I leave at? Is it over here? Oh, I'm stupid. Back to Nanako. Or Nakano, fuck, not Nanako, damn it. Nakano. Next.
先頃もその様子ならば。ところで話は変わるが、君に新しい現在君のアカウントはそのためコネクトジャンプで侵入できるとしても不正なそのような状態では。さて、仕事の時間。約束したようこそくれ。
Hello!
失礼します。おう？いえ。はい。では、依頼の。はい。父が消えた。行方不明に探偵さんには消えてしまった父。はい。ですが、その中でアカウント情報を問い合わせると、呼びかけても応答し全く父を。わかりました。お引き受けし。ではすぐに調査を開始。連絡先を教えていただけますか。いえ、それでは。なるほど。山科誠のアカウント。結論から言えば、このアカウントはアカウントの動きに不自然な点が多々最近巷を賑わしている。君にはまずアカウントの乗っ取りはエデンで聞き込み調査をすればアカウント狩りに関する情報が何かしら得られ。出番だ、ワトソン君。
So, hop into Eden. Oh. Do I want to do this right now? I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna save because I don't understand what the hell that means. I'm gonna save because I want to test something. Why not? Right in I go. I can't do anything in there besides food on. So I'm gonna go ahead and assume maybe I need to go to the entrance. Wait, do I have to reply to that one? Nope, okay. What is it? Count rating? So now I need to head to Kulon? Is that what I was told? I have to go to Kuolon or Kuoloon? Hang on. Player, does it tell me? Nope. Is there like a quest button I hit? No, that just takes me back to the title screen. I don't want that. Okay, there is someone over here. A few people. So we can talk to these. Zaxxon! Bum bum bum. Ba-na-na-nan. So we now have the Zaxxon forum URL, so we can now go to Zaxxon. Okay, so now I can go to Zaxxon. Oh, this got some pretty good music too. Count running, I don't know. The cojones. I got a Digiline. Then is Arata. Got it. I was gonna say, is Arata a hacker after all? Nah, I'll be nice. I just pick random information. So now we can go to Q1 level 2. Or Kowloon. I'm gonna call it Kulon, but it's Kowloon, I think is actually what it's called. Oh, there's no people here now. I do love the fact that I just see behind me 3 little children. My children. These are my children now. Don't talk to me or my children ever again. So we can now go over here because we have Zach's mask, right? So now we can go to level 2. Wow. Can't go to level 3 yet. Now there's a Digilab point, so now we have this unlocked. I might do a bit of grind. Story will take a second, please. Freeze sugar on top and Oh, this does have curse words in it, so it wouldn't be much. Okay. Because that guy goes, "This is cooler. It's for the best hackers, the strong, the smart, the badass." Ooh. Wanyamon, and I don't remember what this other one's called off the top of my head, but I know it's Palmon. It's Yokomon, okay. No, that's Biomon? I think Biomon's Revolution. At least it was in the original series. Oh, you back. Salamon! You leveled up, so did Lunamon and Doramon. Okay, the relationship. That's nice, thank you. More hacker people. HP capsule C. Bum 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 bum. Ah, so we have an opponent, it looks like. Goblin. Bop. I do love the fact that the Digimon can talk. I like that. It's good touch. Whoa. Kid, halt, hold, and... Wait, fuck. Halt, hold, cease, and desist. Let me borrow a hot second. This place is pretty awesome. It's not for you, so scram. Show the Zaxxon mask. Revival capsule. I mean, I could probably take. Actually, that wouldn't be a smart idea because they're technically hackers still. So, yeah, that would lead to my downfall. Though I could fight them off. God only knows what they could do to me. I am living data pretty much. I'm living data, so they could probably send me to the Shadow Realm. Solomon leveled up. So this might be a good area to come grind, because there's at least some things here I can grind towards. Okay, we're 18 minutes in. We're part of the way through the Kowloon, so yeah. Ooh, we got a medal. I think this, or at least, Dodomon! Never heard of that one. Yeah, I'll let you know when I hear anything later. You know what? No, we can't use her. It wouldn't be good. So we'll just bop you with Solomon. Solomon doesn't have that much HP. I don't remember where I might need to... I don't want to continue forward too far. I want to explore a bit. The problem is, I don't know where I'm going off the top of my head. So I'm guessing this is the path we need to take up here. Which means I missed an entire pathway. I can't even look at the map, can I? Damn. I've just got that mini-map to work with. Zaxxon mask. I'll be glad to beat you down. So I did miss something. Oh, here's Automon. You know what? Bop. Oh, you bought my Terrion. How dare you? You can't bop my buddy. So, wait a minute. Oh, I just thought about something. It's gonna be impossible to get Solomon to Digivolve because where is it? Solomon has a max level, I think, of 15, meaning it needs to be de-Digivolved once, then Digivolved yet again, so it can get a level boost. Isn't that how it works for me correctly? I hope it is. Maybe, hopefully not. Maybe I'm lucky and I can get to 16 with it. So I missed a chest. I can come back and get it later though. I just want to get through this so I can hopefully maybe get a bit of a boost. Steering shot. Oh, I thought it'd be enough, even without being super effective and being the same type. Oh shoot! We've hit a bit of a small bit of a roadblock here. But Terriermon's a good ally to have. I'm gonna switch Terriermon out for right now. How do I? Is there a way I can switch them mid-battle? Switch Terriermon with Dorumon for now because Terriermon's not gonna get any more XP for a bit. We need to hurry through here. So yeah, we need to try and hurry through because Terriermon can now Digivolve. At least once, because he is... I say he, but maybe it's she, who knows. Oh, a Lalamon! That's a good one if you ever watch Digimon Data Score, or Digimon Save, it's called. Solomon reached level 10. So my field guide tells me what my Digimon support skills are. Okay. Well, we're going to the Digilab real quick because I need to look at two things actually while I'm thinking about it. Solomon, we need to Digivolve. Look at it, I think. Yeah, most of Solomon's hers require. Oh wait, actually, damn it. Terriermon. First, we're gonna do this. Terriermon digivolves to, I think this is Gargomon. Yeah. Someone said something about okay, I actually figured something out. I have to discover the Digimon first, though. But if I have an extra Gargomon, I can actually de-digivolve into Lockmon. Which would be something that would probably make my friend happy because he's a, Terriermon fan. Yeah. Shit, wait a minute. I'm trying to figure this out real quick. So I can use these to enhance. Solomon, just tell me what your max level is. I'll be 7. For right now, I think I'm going to actually move Dorumon back and keep Gargomon. I'll be back in a minute. I'm gonna check something. Okay, so I decided I'm gonna show this off for a minute. I went to the Digital Network 2 grind. I actually figured out how to. Oh shit! I was gonna show it off, but yeah, we now have Big Boy Gargomon, who bops people with ease. But we have this new area to go in and run around in, so yeah. Gargomon! Reach level 3. We also maxed out Hannemon's skin. But I did figure something. if you go to Digimon and click on stat, if you look up right, I don't know if my mouse can be seen, but if you see right here, there's level in the top left. Well, next to level, there's a max level button that tells you what it can go to, which is nice because that just means that, for instance, Solomon has a max level of 6, which is useful. Now, basically, what I was going to do is wander around here for a little bit, see what I might be able to get. Oh, that's actually OP hell to have right now. But I was mainly going to try and just level up because we're going to be going what looks like a boss fight, and it worried me. So I'll be back in a minute when I've leveled up a tiny bit more. Okay, I'm pretty much done grinding for right now. I did find something out that I thought was kind of interesting. Go back to the Digilab real quick. So, I asked someone, I'm not gonna say who, but I did ask somebody, and oh, I have to complete this first. They said if I go to the offline arena starting chat, or the offline, whatever the hell it's called, stop interrupting me. I'll wait till we're done with the battle and say it then. But in the offline arena starting chapter 2, you can get a certain Digimon. I think it's a in training level that you can digivolve into Pagumon to get Lopmon. Is what I was told. Oh, this is the boss. So this is the first boss where we get memory bonus. It's a Growlmon. We do have an advantage in the fact that we have the mighty Gargomon. But we also have 10% chance to paralyze. Yes, we got the paralyze. Then idle bubble, which puts him to sleep. That's good. So we pretty much just bought ourselves a set. Speed charge on. I think we're gonna just give it to Gargomon because he has the highest damage. St. Knuckle. He's still asleep. Good. Medium damage. Magic attack, physical damage, nighttime accuracy. We're gonna go for this. Hearing shot. Exhaust flame. Ooh, I don't like that. Dum Knuckle. I want you to go ahead and cast heal on yourself. We're going hearing shot again. I want you to cast heal on Lunamon because I'm not risking it. Probably should have went with special attack instead of that. And hearing your shot, he's dead. We win. So that was the first battle, which gives us a memory of.
なるほど。デジモンをコレクションする人間がいるんだ。人間のアカウント情報をしかし刺激していたはずのデジモンに 精神現実世界における影響をデジモンが集めてご苦労だった。主従の関係、そう思わん。
Bye bye.
山科誠のア
Thanks
カウ
for
ント
release.
が現住
We'll
所もすで
salvage
に
comment data
その過程で
hackers.
依頼人山科優子とここにある娘やはりと言うべきか。とにかく山科誠の失踪中の
Please don't drag me off. Fuck. I wanted to go look at something.
はい、どっち。
こんにちは。
そうですが。
いえ、実は。
え？
では、山科この近くで行方不明者が出たらしい。
行方不明にな。
そうですか。
あいにくだが、妻も。
娘さんは今。パパ？
ああ、帰ってきたか。これが娘の
こちらが。
いや、
あなたたち
それがこの
行方不明
だそうです。
いえ、おかげで必要ところで山科さん。
エデン。
しかしご安心を。
いいから行こう。
その分山科誠の本当の娘はとなると、あの依頼人は語った理由についてだが、依頼人が山科大いに興味、そしてまあ依頼人はまた事務所をさ。
Can I please go do something now? Nope, I'm going to continue with the story.
どうも。
来たか。どうぞソファーへ。とアカウント狩りには山科誠は行方不明でも何でもなく。では今回の
はい。また
いつでもどうぞ。次は上白優子さん。
Save the game, yes. We'll save over this one. 2 hours and... or 3 hours and 5 minutes. Pandemic cases. Lately, I better take on a few more Kyoko forests. What cases do we have? There are a lot of bad hackers. Time for just desserts. Okay, we'll take that. We'll do that next step. Actually, we might go for 40 minutes now. I'll deal with you in a bit. Or, I'm not dealing with you just yet. So, we do have new memory. Oh, wait, we got another thing here. But I wanted to go and look at something. I'm going to make this video about 40 minutes long, which is going to be a pain to edit, but I wanted to look over here if I can now. Okay, there's nothing I want to ask. Can I go in? Can I go? How do I do the damn tournament? I mean, how do I do it? I wonder if I can do the online or offline tournament. I don't know how to do it though. Well, I'm gonna go to the Digilab first because I gotta go look at something. We got Mirai right here, so we'll go talk to her. I guess we'll do the tournament later. Cool on before eating. Yeah. Basically, go beat the shit out of people. But if we look, wait a minute, party memory 20. Hang on, how do I do that then? Give me a minute. Memory up. So we now have 25 party memory. I mean, I think we've already, what, aren't we already at like 20 now? No, we're at 15. Okay, so I can try and get Solomon. I'll be back in a minute. I'll try and quickly like level Solomon up. I'll be back when I level Solomon. Actually, no, you know what? We're gonna go into Eden. We're gonna do this mission, and while we're doing that, try and on the way level Solomon up. We'll go until we've done this mission. That's the last thing I'm doing for this episode is the mission. So yeah, once I do this mission, I'm quitting, which will probably be about 40 minutes. I don't see anybody up there. I think I see him over there, though. If Solomon's not digivolved by that point, I'll pause the recording and digivolve really quickly. Because I want to try and get a Gatomon before this episode's done. I'm surprised I haven't run into Digimon yet. Talk to the hacker, yes. Bop him. Oh, Devimon. Ow. Oh, wait. Doesn't Pokemon Digivolve into Devimon? But I couldn't de-Digivolve because I don't know Pokemon. Okay, so we've done that. I hate dealing with that. It's much like you, I should report back to Mirai. I'll pause, and when I get to where I can go talk to Mirai, I will. So I'll be back. Okay. Sorry, that took a bit longer than I thought it would, so we actually have 2 Digivolutions to talk to. So we're on Solomon. Make sure we're on Solomon before I fucking mess up. Solomon, okay. We're gonna send Solomon. I'm gonna go through the Digivolution animation. Solomon to Gatomon. This took a lot longer than I wanted it to. And Lunamon, we could actually get Lekismon, but I'd rather go for this one. I've decided I'm gonna go against my normal instinct of getting Dianamon. One of the 1+12 for now. I might come back and get it later, but I wanted to get this guy. So I can put Waifu in the damn name. We got a Waifu now. We got Sistermon Sia. So we have a light. Oh, we do have the ability to get... Hang on, before we continue, I'm gonna look real quick. We have electric, a light, and a light. We have 2 light Digimon. Appears everything went smoothly, so we're gonna finish this up. Right now they're at 30 hours because it's speed bumping the total number down to 29. So, investigation, that's nice. So one thing I'm going to do really quickly, we have System Unscale, but we need to actually, I guess I can digi-convert some of the new ones. So we actually do have a Biomon. But we also have a Tanemon, so we're going to convert the Tanemon. I guess we'll go ahead and convert Yokomon as well. But we're going to go to the Digibank, and we're going to... I don't want to move you to the party, I want to move you to the phone. So with that, we should have access to the farm now with Digimon, right? Okay, so we can... I'm gonna make Dormon the leader for now. Train enhances Digimon. Develop item development, find case. I think we're gonna do it. For now, I think we're gonna. I'll develop. 1 hour and 15 minutes, I think, is what that means. So, with that, that is 41 minutes. I will head back to the. Oh, actually, we're gonna go into one battle, I think. I'm gonna start heading back to the agency really quickly. I could teleport there, but we have 3 Digimon now that I like. Now, if I can change Gargomon out for the Lopmon Digivolution, I'll be a lot happier. We do have Sistermon, though. I know my friend's going to go for Beelzemon. He would have a stroke if I went and got Beelzemon. He's already gonna be mad I have Gargomon on my team. But once I get Lopmon, Gargomon's going to go back to the box. I want to get into a battle, that's why I have the video recording. Oh, I'm going to have to cut this footage out. I'll cut till I come into a battle then, because I don't want to put this out for more than 40... Alright, we got a battle. So we have... Oh, Sistermon CL is up first. We have Silent Bolt, Fury 5. Idle Bubble, and Saint Knuckle. We're gonna go with Silent Bullet. We're gonna go for a bot. Good friend. Gatomon and of course work together very well. And Gatomon just insta-bot. I want it to be Sistermon for one. I don't know why, she's kind of cute in that way. I don't know what I need to Digivolve her, but I'll be back when I get to the agency. Sorry, I accidentally did this. I figured out how to get in. I'll show it off in a minute, but this is the offline Coliseum. I don't know how the hell I got in here. I fucking just goofed around. I figured out how to get Sistermon Cielo by actually increase her hobby, which is the Digivolution shit that I was talking about. I thought it was Cam, but I actually need to de-Digivolve her and re-Digivolve her multiple times. Which is going to be a bitch. But yeah, this is one of the ways I can quickly get stuff dealt with. But yeah, I'll quickly show this off. Oh, I might have to skip through some of these. I don't want to, but I might have to because it's gonna take me a minute. Okay, we're gonna Lightning Paw. I meant to get the other one. Shit. Dum uppercut. We don't do enough damage. Sistermon CL. Destruction Cannon. Should've went for the light attack, I'm stupid. Let's go... Saint Knuckle. No? Gosh, I don't understand that. Miss. Oh, it's 45 minutes already. I might have to cut this out. It's panicked. Why the hell is this so damn tough to kill? It buffed itself. We got an HP capsule. And we got some level ups. Although for Sistermon CL, I'm gonna actually have to go through a bit of grinding. So I'm gonna go Fury Fire on Tsunamon. We're gonna go ahead and try and get rid of one of these. And Gargomon, just off this. Speed charge. Sistermon CL. You know what? Because Gothamon's coming after you, go ahead and do Sign to it, because you can kill that one. Just weaken the other one for Gotham. Alright, we win. How many more do we have to go through? I'm gonna cut until I'm done, because it's gonna take me a while. Alright, I'm done. So, for completing that challenge I did, I literally got like, oh fuck. I got some Brave Point EXs, but unfortunately that's all the time I've got for this episode. It's a little over what I would normally do, or try to do. It's 47 minutes, I think. But I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.